How to disable Safari on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. Turn on the Content and Privacy Restriction switch at the top. Then, go to Allowed Apps and Features. From here, turn off the apps which you want to disable. For example, Safari. Turning off an app or feature will remove it from the home screen, but will not delete it from iPhone. As you can see, you will no longer find Safari on your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily disable Safari on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.